Fashion Beyond Borders, a grand global fashion show by IIFT and Love Fashion Closet in association with Shagun. 3rd January 2026, a spectacular and high profile fashion show titled Fashion Beyond Borders was successfully organized at the prestigious Bikaner House, New Delhi. The show was organized as a joint venture between the International Institute of Fashion Technology (IIFT) and Love Fashion Closet by Shagun, combining a global fashion savvy with the Indian creativity and academic excellence. The event emerged as one of the most significant fashion showcases of the year. The primary objective of Fashion Beyond Borders was to provide a global platform for fashion and showcase Indian designers and young talent on an international stage. The event was attended by eminent fashion designers, academics, industry experts, international delegates, and creative professionals from India and abroad. Ratnadeep Lal, founder and CEO of IIFT Group, whose continuous efforts have established IIFT as a leading institute in the field of fashion education and international industry integration, was also a key figure in the active participation of senior IIFT leadership across India. Mr. Vikas Chaturvedi, Director of Corporate Affairs, IIFT India, and Director of IIFT Ghaziabad and Narayana, helped to plan and organize the event nationally, played a key leadership role in executing it. Around 600 students from International Institute of Fashion Technology, IIFT, participated in this grand annual fashion show.
हाय माई सेल्फ रजनीप लाल चेयरपर्सन IIFT। इस समय मैं बीकानेर हाउस में जो इंडिया गेट के पास है। 2026 की अच्छी शुरुआत रही हमारी। हमारे काफ़ी सेंटर्स में इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे डिज़ाइनिंग का काम किया। 50 से ज़्यादा अच्छे से ज़्यादा सेंटर्स ने यहाँ पे पार्टिसिपेट करा है। फैशन बियॉन्ड बॉर्डर्स, तो दैट इज़ द थीम ऑफ द इंटरनेशनल इवेंट एंड इसमें काफ़ी अच्छा रहा। हम लोगों का प्रोग्राम इंटरनेशनल डिज़ाइनर्स भी हैं, so obviously it is a good thing that we are participating in the.
Hello everyone, IFT India rocks in LA Fashion Closet. Thank you very much, Mr. Shagun Gupta and Mr. Ratnadeep Lal for the lovely show. Yes, sure.
Show, enjoyed it a lot.
Surely you want to say something?
It was a lovely show. I enjoyed modeling for it. I mean, look at my beautiful gown right now. I really love this. It's really pretty. It made me really confident while walking in the runway. Thank
A
you.
very good evening everyone. This side Vikas Chaturvedi. I am the director of IFT Ghaziabad and IFT Narayana, and today in this LA Fashion Closet we have presented our collection Western Galvalia, which is completely based upon Rajasthani tribals, folk singers, gypsies and snake catchers women. And meet my beautiful show opener Miss Poonam Yadav, who is a big name in makeup and fashion in all over the India. Just I'm introducing you to Miss Poonam. पूनम जी कुछ बताइए अपने बारे में.
Thank you so much, sir. It was wonderful show, and I'm a makeup artist and a model too, and it feels amazed. And I'm doing this time. This is my first show, and it was really good. And yeah, I'm happy. Thank you, sir.
प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ दिल्ली चांदी वर्क एसोसिएशन संजय मित्तल, और आज हमारी सीक्वेंस थी और लोगों को थोड़ा वेट करना पड़ा हमारी सीक्वेंस के लिए, और वो उन्होंने वेट किया। मतलब मैं बड़ा हैरान था कि पूरा पैक्ड हाउस था और लोगों ने वेट किया मेरी सीक्वेंस के लिए। थैंक्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू। और ये गर्ल्स आर लुक्स लाइक डीवा इट्स सो अमेजिंग। थैंक यू सो मच।
Yeah, it was a really exciting opportunity, and working for Silver Mittal. I had a really wonderful time. Thank you so much.
Lovely please.
Hi, I'm Jennifer. Now I'm in fashion show. Just now I have done Sanjay Mittal. He's a fantastic designer. You can see in the outfit also so amazing. Thank you, sir.
Hello everyone, I'm Ananya. I just done the work for Sanjay Mittal sir, and that was amazing. I literally loved it. Can you see the creativity? That's really awesome.
You looks like diva, huh? Golden girl.
Thanks. Yeah, I just worked for Sanjay Mittal, and you can see the outfit. I absolutely loved it, and you can see the work, this golden work. I loved it, and we slayed the ramp. We nailed it.
Yeah. No, classic, amazing.
किसी भी तारीफ के मोहताज नहीं है और संजय जी ऐसा नाम है जो कि इंटरनेशनल रनवे के लिए है। दिल्ली
Thank you.
चांदनी चौक तो बहुत छोटी सी चीज है, ठीक है, यहाँ पे
Thanks
मैक्सिमम
a
लोग
lot,
दिल्ली
thanks a
वाले हैं,
lot.
लेकिन संजय जी जो है इनका पूरा दिल हिंदुस्तानी है, लेकिन अब ये जाने वाले हैं पेरिस और मिलान के लिए।
Wow.
तो इनके डिजाइन किए हुए जो वर्क वाले स्टाइल है वो यूज करने हैं, वो प्लीज कांटेक्ट करें हमारे साथ। और संजय जी शो मैन है आज के हमारे शो के।
इन्होंने बहुत अच्छा मेरे लिए सारा प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड किया, कॉस्ट्यूम, मॉडल्स इतनी सुंदर सुंदर, तो थैंक्स टू यू।
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच, लव यू।
Hip hip.
We are in Bikaner House, 3rd January in India Gate, and of course there's a lot of designers came from IFT various centers, from IFT Bilaspur, IFT Roorkee, IFT Ranchi, IFT Ghaziabad, so many IFT Greater Kailash. So they've rocked the show in Fashion Beyond Borders. So obviously it is a great show that we have done it in Bikaner House. What was the previously thing? It was always London, Paris, Milan and New York. But this time 2026 we are working for making the statement in New Delhi. That is in the heart of New Delhi that we are doing it, and we have done it. So Fashion Beyond Borders now in Bharat, and that's our designers from Bharat. They have rocked the show. Thank you.
What's going on? This is Septimius the Great. We're here in New Delhi. I am a Grammy award-winning Hollywood actor, music artist, and fashion designer, and I'm now here in New Delhi for Fashion Beyond Borders, powered by LA Fashion Closet. Thank you. Namaste. Love you. Mwah.
Yeah, this is very honorable movement for all of us as we have come for IIFT Fashion Show. This is a fashion beyond boundaries, and we have invited the people and the organizers and the models from Pan India and also from overseas. Lot of our models have come from California, San Diego, and Australia, Sweden, Norway, and Africa. So this is a very big show, and very senior people are there. They all are the dignitaries from different countries. People from Kenya are there, people from India are there, people from Mumbai are there, and people from different states of our country are here. And I think, sir, you can give your brief introduction and tell about this.
So we are basically into film and entertainment industry. I'm an anchor and television presenter. IFG is a big filmmaker, and we all have been running a trust together in which we honor the soldiers of our country. So that is one cause which is very much close to IFG's heart. And today I'm really happy to see that how the young designers are being promoted over here, and of course the people from different countries are coming together for the cause. It's wonderful to see it. And hopefully next time onwards we would also like to associate, but right now we are just exploring that what all avenues can be here. So it's wonderful. Congratulations.
I'm an economist from Kenya. I'm honored to be here and I really appreciate the invitation. It's a pleasure to be part of this event.
P. Sharma Joshi, Director Global Healthcare and a Medical Cell Convener for BJP Bharatiya Janata Party. Modi ji is our National Prime Minister's party, and it is very, very honorable that all our dignitaries have come from overseas to join this very big fashion festa. And at 3 p.m. afternoon we are going to do a raft walk show where beautiful designs are being made from the leaves of gold and silver. So I am asking you to please come and join this show. Thank you.
So I have told you that our organization Ek Hi Rasta is a trust which honors all the soldiers across the country, and we are the only trust that honors the soldiers across the forces, from military, paramilitary and police forces. So soon we are gonna do a big program that is gonna be the 5th edition of our program, which is being called Citizens Gratitude to Gallant Warriors. So जितने भी हमारे वीर योद्धा हैं उन्हें हम सम्मानित करते हैं, and we give a heartiest welcome to all of you to join us over there, and we would especially like to invite you and with your full team, please come to the program and just pay your respect to the soldiers, because of them we are here. So I invite all of you to please be a part of it. Hi, this is Ruhi Haq. I am the founder of Hope Be Lit right there and Voices on Earth Films, and I'm so happy to partner with my dear sister, an amazing person, an amazing artist in many senses, Shagun Gupta. Shagun.
Hi, I'm Shagun, founder and CEO of LA Fashion Closet, and I'm so proud to have Ruhi Haq partner with us for Hope We Lit and Voices Unheard Productions. She has been a pillar. She has been amazing in supporting this event all throughout, and there is so much more that she's bringing into our event. Ruhi.
We are going to do an amazing fashion summit for students, which will mean a lot. We will be talking about fashion all over the world and how fashion can raise consciousness. It is something we need in the world, and I'm so happy that there are people like Shagun that support causes like that support thought process like that. So very excited. Please come join us in the show. Enjoy it. You will see videos of the show and the event. January 3rd, we are at the Bikaner House starting out. And January 5th, we will be in the Film City, Marva Studios, for an amazing summit. Thank you so much.
Beautiful fashion summit. You would really love it. Thank you, Ruhi.
Hey, hi, myself means Malhotra. I'm a lifestyle influencer. So today I'm working for IIFT Ghaziabad. And as you can see, I am the showstopper for IIFT Ghaziabad. They have given me such a beautiful outfit. This really loving the outfit, and it was a great pleasure to work for IIFT. Thanks for giving this opportunity, and thanks Ratanjeev ji. And he's the designer. Audia, please come. See, he has designed so beautiful dress for me.
Thank you very much.
It's a
IIT
great
Rock,
opportunity.
IIT Ghaziabad, IIT Narayana, IIT India Rock, and thanks to Means Malhotra for lovely showstopper. Thank you.
Thank you for having me. Hi, my name is Meenakshi Chaudhary. I'm fashion model and runway model. Uh, I'm Feminist Style Diva 2016. Today we are at the IIFT Ghaziabad. Thank you so much. I am Tia Verma and I'm 18 years old. Today I work for IIFT Ghaziabad, and as you can see the amazing design by the creator, the designer, I just feel so good to be here now. I feel like I finally found my goal, and my presence is, as you can see, elegant.
Hi, this is Sandra Francis. I am elated to be working for IIFT Ghaziabad. Look at these gorgeous designs. I think they're timeless, perfect craftsmanship, and I'm enjoying it. And I think our viewers had an amazing time too, and hope you like it.
My name is Khushi and I am wearing this beautiful outfit by IIFT Ghaziabad, and this truly gives us a fairy tale moment. It's so gorgeous to walk for the ramp. As you can see, the outfit is so pretty.
We are at LA Fashion Closet. I'm Disha. We are the PR partners for LA Fashion Closet, and we have Pahel. She's also a designer, by the way. And whatever you see her wearing, she designs her own clothes all the time. Pahel, कैसा लग रहा है आपको इंडिया में ये कितना global level का show हो रहा है LA Fashion Closet?
It's amazing to see you around, and the show Beyond the Borders that is happening between
3rd January.
that is happening between 3rd January to 5th. So it's an amazing show. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Sushma Pasi, CEO of Paradise Wellness. I am so excited to be a part of LA Fashion Closet, and Paradise Wellness is a part of as a beauty and wellness in here. So join us for the free vouchers and free doctor consultation. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Anushka Upadhyay and I'm a model. We have just done a work for IFT Ranchi. As you can see, this is a very beautiful dress we are wearing, so we are very obliged. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Janisha. Just now we have done the Rachi, designer Rachi. This is outfit is so amazing outfit. Thank you so much for designer for making this outfit. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Khushi, and we are wearing IIT Ranchi outfit, and this is the outfit of a true Indian beauty. Thank you so much. We are extremely grateful for this beautiful design. Thank you.
Hi, this is Vanshita Seni and we are wearing IFT Ranchi. Really, truly, these students are amazing and talented. I truly love the design. Hello, I model Lisa Yasin here. We have just did the sequence of IIFT Ranchi. This is a beautiful green dress, and we will also be evergreen. So thanks to LA Fashion Closet and Fashion Beyond Borders. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
This is a very honorable movement for all of us as we have come for IIFT Fashion Show. This is a fashion beyond boundaries, and we have invited the people and the organizers and the models from Pan India and also from overseas. Lot of our models have come from California, San Diego,
and Australia, Sweden, Norway, and Africa. So this is a very big show, and very senior people are there. They are all are the dignitaries from different countries. People from Kenya are there, people from India are there, people from Mumbai are there, and people from different states of our country are here. And I think, sir, you can give your brief introduction and tell about this. So we are basically into film and entertainment industry. I'm an anchor and television presenter. IFG is a big filmmaker, and we all have been running a trust together in which we honor the soldiers of our country. So that is one cause which is very much close to IFG's heart. And today I'm really happy to see that how the young designers are being promoted over here, and of course the people from different countries are coming together for the cause. It's wonderful to see it. And hopefully next time onwards we would also like to associate, but right now we are just exploring that what all avenues can be here. So it's wonderful. Congratulations.
I'm an economist from Kenya. I'm honored to be here and I really appreciate the invitation. It's a pleasure to be part of this event.
P. Sharma Joshi, Director Global Healthcare and a Medical Cell Convener for BJP Bharatiya Janata Party. Modi ji is our National Prime Minister's party, and it is very, very honorable that all our dignitaries have come from overseas to join this very big fashion festa. And at 3 p.m. afternoon we are going to do a raft walk show where beautiful designs are being made from the leaves of gold and silver. So I am asking you to please come and join this show. Thank you.
So I have told you that our organization Ek Hi Rasta is a trust which honors all the soldiers across the country, and we are the only trust that honors the soldiers across the forces, from military, paramilitary and police forces. So soon we are gonna do a big program that is gonna be the 5th edition of our program, which is being called Citizens Gratitude to Gallant Warriors. So जितने भी हमारे वीर योद्धा हैं उन्हें हम सम्मानित करते हैं, and we gave a heartiest welcome to all of you to join us over there, and we would especially like to invite you and with your full team, please come to the program and just pay your respect to the soldiers, because of them we are here. So I invite all of you to please be a part of it.
Hi, I'm Sanjana Mehra. I'm professional model and Fashion Beyond Brothers. Thanks to invite me, and thanks to IFT. And I like the IFT design, e-commerce, students and all. I like this, all designs and all, everything. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is me, DJK Kamya Khanna from Delhi. And this is really a big platform. It's IIFC, and we really appreciate this platform क्योंकि इसलिए आप सबको एक नया फैशन और एक नया काम और आपको प्रोफेशन में आगे बढ़ने के लिए बहुत अच्छा अप्रोच करता है. आई रियली थैंक यू टू आदि सर, उन्होंने यहाँ पे इनवाइट किया, गेस्ट्स में नाम दिया. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू सी यू ऑल. थैंक यू.
For me, oh hi, I am Dr. Prerna Sharma. I am a transplant nephrologist and passionate about health, both outer beauty and inner beauty. So I'm very glad to be a part of this team where we focus on health and everything else, the holistic way.
Neelam Batra. I'm fashion designer and textile designing, running IFT last 34 years. This time I'm joining this show. Very excited with fresher team. I'm very excited for this show.
I am engineer and the director IIFT Roorkee.
Hi, model Nisa Yasin here, and I am so glad and super excited for today. Today is the LA Fashion Closet and the IIFT Fashion Beyond by Borders. So I'm the model here for IIFT Ranchi, IIFT Greater Kalas, IIFT Bareilly, and lots of sequence I'm going to do here. So I'm so happy here. And thanks to you, you suits me also. Thanks a lot.
Hi, this is Victoria Samshonga, Fabrice Africa, and I am in Delhi for the Fashion Without Borders event, and the first event of the year. I'm looking forward to seeing what is happening here and the fashion designers here, so that I can also be speaking about it in Africa, African countries, in my country, Zimbabwe. Thank you so much for inviting me to this event, IIFT. Looking forward.
Starbucks यहाँ की PR कर रहे हैं. It's one of the best in the country, and I wish them good luck. And we have the lady of Starbucks with me right here, Seema Gumbir. Good luck to you, ma'am.
And thanks
to you. You always support me in all my ventures, and the world knows you. You don't need an introduction. But thank you so much. He always is there.
It's a pleasure.
Hello everyone, I'm Hesha Khan, all from Bombay. So I want to tell you that I'm working for La Fashion Week and this costume is from Elena Ma'am. And yeah, I love it a lot. And of course the show. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you that you work for my brand. You are fabulous.
Thank
you
you.
so much. Thank you for inviting. Hi, I am Deepti Sharma Joshi. I am from BJP Medical Cell Convener and I am a Director of Global Healthcare. We are doing medical tourism and this is a very great show. We have come on behalf of International Institute of Fashion Technology for Incredible India. We have got models from Pan India and overseas from California, San Diego, from Sweden, Australia, Europe, Africa. Lot of models have come and shows their fantastic, fabulous performance. It was an amazing show. There are different type of fashion vistas that we have shown from Tamil Nadu, from Kerala, from Kashmir, from Sikkim, from Arunachal, from Rome, from Italy, from Milan, from Paris and also from California. So this is a great show we are doing in Bikaner House today and I would like all of you to come enjoy this show. Thank you. And there is a very important announcement we would like to share from the dais of IIFT that on the eve of the World No Tobacco Day, that is on 31st May, we are going to celebrate in Rwanda. We are going to do a bigger conference where we are planning to do this show with the help of Pratik and Indian Institute of IFT, with IFT, Mr. Bisham and with Mr. Nathan. So it will be a wonderful show in Rwanda on 31st May.
There is going to be a medical expo for 2 days in Kigali and one day seminar there in Kenya, Nairobi.
And we will be enjoying the Masai Mara jungles and we will be doing a good medical tourism from there, getting a lot of patients from Africa and making India incredible India.
We are going to enhance the relationship between India and Africa by organizing such kind of events there and here to bring closer India and Africa cultural and corporate relationship. Thank you very much.
I am Septimius the Great, and I'm here with the CEO of LA Fashion Closet. We brought the first show of 2006 to New Delhi at the Bikaner House Fashion Beyond Borders.
It was an amazing show. We're only halfway through and we had so many designers who showed their collections. We still have 5 more to go and we are so looking forward to it. So exciting.
Yes, it's a truly global show with models from all around the world, designers from all over the world. We just got showed Ukraine, India, United States.
We have Texas coming up. We have Los Angeles coming up. We have Mauritius coming up. So hang in there.
Yes. If you're not here, you should be here, but you'll watch us. Stay tuned. It's Fashion Beyond Borders, powered by LA Fashion Closet.
Be here.
Yeah, it's Advocate Bishamdat here. So I just came in this event that Fashion Beyond Borders Incredible India. There is a very fantastic fashion show which has been organized by Ratandeep sir and his team. Too much congratulations to the IIFT which has been organized successfully. It's such a huge event and I really enjoyed being the part of this event. This event has shown that various races and various cultures and states participation for the fashion. This is really a fantastic experience which I have experienced in my life for this fashion. Thank you very much. Very nice, incredible fashion show. Congratulations. Thank you.
Time to rocking IFT Ghaziabad. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray! Excellent design by the IFT Ghaziabad.
Thank you very much.
And also there is a trophy for Fashion Beyond Borders 2026 award for Best Institute in Business Development and Marketing.
Thank you very much. Yes, thank you. Thank you, sir.
In 3rd of January, Bikaner House in Fashion Beyond Border. And we have the talented model Mahima, obviously, who is participated in Fashion Beyond Border, an excellent model and obviously उभरती कलाकार हैं, उसकी वजह से इनको हॉल फेम मिल रहा है. Obviously, she is going to rock the in 2026.
Thank you so much. Clapping.
Yes. Thank you, sir. After so long, we are here with IFT Ranchi, and 2026 is going to rock IFT Ranchi. Thank you.
तीन एजेस की इतने जेम्स बनाए हैं सर.
IFT Ranchi has got the 2026 award for Best IFT Center for Excellence in Business and Creativity.
Congratulations, Abhishek sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
IFT Ranchi rocks.
Thank you.
Congratulations for IFT Jammu.
IFT Jammu is here, and obviously it is a 2026. We are going to rock in Jammu and Kashmir.
We can open 10 more centers in Jammu and Kashmir in upcoming 2 years.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
2026 award for Best Institute for Excellence in Innovation and Growth.
Oh wow. Thank you, sir.
God bless my student designer. God bless you everybody. US Center for Fashion Credibility Studies and Innovation, IIFT Roorkee.